Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share how to make Christmas star photo collage template design in Canva. So first I will go to elements here and I will search here Christmas star, and in graphics I will click on see all and I will use this design. Okay, and I will make it slightly bigger, and after that I will click on L to activate a line, and in here I will use the stroke weight as 10, and after that I will just rotate it to minus 125 degrees. Okay, and I will place it here. And after that duplicate it, use it here, and I will rotate it to minus 56 degrees. And I will bring it here. Just zoom a little bit to work on it properly. Okay, and after that duplicate it again, and this time rotate it to minus 163 degrees. And just bring it here. Okay, and next I will duplicate, and here I will use it as 160 degrees. And I will bring it right here. The last one I will make for this one, which will be 87 degrees. Okay, so you can just mark the points if you want. This one is minus 125 degrees, this one is minus 56 degrees, this one is minus 163 degrees, this one is 87 degrees, and this one is 160 degrees. Okay, so these ones are marked, and after that, to cover all of them, I will click on C to activate a circle, and I will just click outside once and change it to white color. Okay, and just bring it right here and just make it more smaller and just center it. Okay, and after that change the lines color also to white. Click on change all, and after that select the picture of the star, click on edit, and after clicking on edit scroll down to find effects, duotone, custom, change both the highlights and shadows to black color. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will click on download. Make sure it is in PNG and click on download. And after that come to picsvg.com, which is a free SVG converter. As you can see, it is written here. Click on upload a picture and upload the PNG file which you have just downloaded from Canva. And after that, as you can see, it is uploaded and the outline part is showing here, but we want the inside part and not just the outline. So we'll click on internal 3, and after that click on download SVG. So some more work is left out in this design, but if you want to purchase the template, you can just purchase from me from my buy me a coffee shop, and as you can see it is priced at just $3. You can also buy the Christmas tree template at $3. You can see the link will be in the description. After that, come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop, and click on open from computer the SVG file which you just downloaded. And as you can see, the layers are separated here. Another work needs to be done in Canva here. Click on add page and just click on this background color and use any sample color. For me, I am using this violet color, and click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and just download the current page. Now come back again to Canva, and here click on file, click on open and place, and just use this blank background of violet color here and just cover the parts of the star here. Now right click it, click on clipping mask, and now click on duplicate layer to cover all the layers here. So all the layers are covered here. Now click on file, click on save as PSD, and just save it. Now after that, come to uploads here and upload the PSD file which you just created in photopea.com. Click on add page, just make it a blank background one and use this star image. Okay, and after that you will find while zooming that there is a black outline which is present here. By clicking on layers and show layers, you can find the black layers here. Just select all of them by clicking Ctrl key in the keyboard and right click it and delete all of them. So you are left with only the layers which are covered with this violet color. Okay, so now how to remove this violet color? Just click on any layer and click on backspace to remove the violet color and find the frame here. So another way you can do, which is click on this delete and you will find this delete image. Okay, and you can also do that, but the backspace one is very easy, so I will do that. Now after that I will go to elements here, and here I will write Christmas couple portrait. Okay, and here I will come to photos here, click on see all. So this star is ready, but let's decorate this design by using some elements in Canva. So for that I will click on Ctrl+A to select all of them and just make it smaller and center it. Okay, and after that here I will write Christmas and use this one, this decor, and just place it here and also here. Click on flip horizontal. Okay, and after that here I will write Christmas gift and use this one, use BG remover to remove the background and make it smaller and just bring it here. And after that here I will write Santa Claus and use this image. And now it looks ready. And if you want to purchase the template directly from me, you can just do that by contacting on my Instagram page, which the link will be in the description. You can just contact me here. This is my official Instagram page. You can just contact and just work with me directly, and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comments so that I can help you with the design. Thank you.